In this lesson, we are going to start with Facebook ad creation, how to launch a campaign, optimize it, choose your ad objectives, your ad budgets, and everything you need to know about setting a successful Facebook campaign. Right, so this is how the campaign creation dashboard looks like. But before I actually get to this page, there are some things you have to do, which is starting with the Facebook page creation. So I'm going to show you the steps to create a Facebook. Alright, so this is we are going to be talking about how to actually create a successful Facebook ad campaign. Choose the right campaign objective, the right audience, and actually optimize everything to be in place just for the same end goal. Successful ad campaign. So before this is the campaign interface, but before I actually start, get over to create, so click on the create button and have our campaigns, our ad campaign created. There are some things that should be in place. The first one is your Facebook page. Alright, so to achieve this, we are going to go to facebook.com. So this is a new Facebook account. Alright, so I already did a training on this, how to create a Facebook account, create a Facebook page on the Telegram channel. So if you've not joined the Telegram channel, go back to the first module and click on join Telegram. Alright, so this is a new account, and what you do now is head over to this menu button and go to create page. Alright, so this is the interface is going to bring. Before you actually create a page, there are some things that should have been done to your Facebook account, like setting it up, your info, your details, everything you're going to be using for your personal accounts must be connected, or let me say related to an official account. Don't just use a nickname, don't use a brand name. Use something that Facebook can trace to a nation, to a place that okay, they know that okay, this name is actually registered somewhere. Alright, so that aside, there will be more info on that in Telegram channel. Just make sure you join the Telegram community. So yeah, we're going to let me type this new page. The category, let me just a non-governmental organization. Then the bio, new page 2. Then you click on create page. Alright, so what do we have? It says you have created too many pages recently, please try again later. If you are getting this, there are either two reasons why you are getting this kind of message. If the first reason is because you are creating it on a desktop or a laptop, alright, so you might get this. Two, maybe you are creating a multiple page, you have like 1 or 2 pages before, you are still going to get this because Facebook is trying to optimize the kind of the number of pages on Facebook. You cannot just come to Facebook and come and run ads anyhow. You just have to have a reason, and there are more to actually running ads than you know. And that reason is maybe your account is a new one and it's not even a professional account. So what's a professional account? Let me duplicate this page now and show you. Alright, so I'm going to go to this dashboard now, to my personal dashboard, and show you what the professional account is. So this account you're seeing here is a professional account. So you see an account, a personal account, not even a page, with this, instead of friends you see followers, you see following. That's a professional account. So a professional account is actually more easier to run ads and more known, let me put it like that, because aside from your personal accounts, professional account shows that you're on Facebook to actually do it, to run a business. Okay, so you'll be given tools and what will actually make your business active. Okay, so how do you create a professional account? That's also on the Telegram channel. So all these are basic things that have been taught in the Telegram channel. Just make sure you go to the Telegram channel and see everything for yourself. So heading back to the page, so like I said, you can actually create. If you are getting this message again, when you click on create page, you get the same message again, you will not be able to create a Facebook page on a desktop or a laptop. So we are going to head over to our smartphone, right? So a mobile phone to actually do that and to be attached to this video. So there's a trick we use to achieve that. Just make sure you follow the step in the video and you'll get that. So after you've created a Facebook page, the next thing you're going to do is create a business account for your ad. Don't just rush to creating an ad account. Create a business account first. So this thing is simple. You're on Facebook to sell. Alright, so you have to let Facebook know you're on Facebook to sell, so that they can actually equip you with materials, tools, and even prepare for you. Alright, so this thing is it's just like a simple understanding between, let me say, like a boss and, should I say a slave, because I was slave to Mark. That's just how it is. Right, so I'll be showing you how to create a business accounts in the next lesson. In this lesson, we're going to start with Facebook ad creation, how to launch a campaign, optimize it, choose your ad objectives, your ad budgets, and everything you need to know about setting a successful Facebook campaign. Right, so this is how the campaign creation dashboard looks like. But before I actually get to this page, there are some things you have to do, which is starting with the Facebook page creation. So I'm going to show you the steps to create a Facebook page.
Recently, so what do you do? First of all, you take a screenshot. Take a screenshot that looks like that. Then you do what? You shake your phone. You shake your phone. This thing. So shows that you problem. So it's going to create the reports for Facebook. Alright, it's loading. Complete logs and diagnostics in our reports. Yes, including reports. So they are going to actually trace it down that the time of the screenshot and the time of the reports filing, if they actually was in sync. So just describe what you are going to say. Hello Facebook, be friendly and short. Okay, let's say Facebook management. Follow this format, not something completely like this, but follow this format. Click on send. So this will send the report to Facebook management, and after some time you'll be given access to actually create a page. After like at most 24 hours, you'll be allowed to create a page.
In this lesson, we are going to start with Facebook ad creation, how to launch a campaign, optimize it, choose your ad objectives, your ad budgets, and everything you need to know about setting a successful Facebook campaign. Right, so this is how the campaign creation dashboard looks like. But before I actually get to this page, there are some things you have to do, which is starting with the Facebook page creation. So I'm going to show you the steps to create a Facebook page. In this lesson, we're going to start with Facebook ad creation, how to launch a campaign, optimize it, choose your ad objectives, your ad budgets, and everything you need to know about setting a successful Facebook campaign. Right, so this is how the campaign creation dashboard looks like. But before I actually get to this page, there are some things you have to do, which is starting with the Facebook page creation. So I'm going to show you the steps to create a Facebook page. Now, how do you create a business account? The first thing you're going to do is to open a new tab and enter this link, or go to this link, business.facebook.com. Right, so this is more like an online shop for Facebook, where you have all your meta business properties in one place. Okay, so it's where you can actually schedule your ads for. If you're actually creating content, schedule your content and everything, check your engagements, your ad performance, and everything is all in the meta business suite. Again, go to business.facebook.com. Alright, so there's a page here already, and there's more reason why we're having that message earlier that we've created too many pages. But this is not our concern yet. If you've created a page before, you're going to be seeing your page here. So seeing your page here doesn't mean you have a business account. The next thing you're going to do is want to create a business account itself. So you click on create a business account. Alright, so it says business accounts bring your Facebook pages, Instagram accounts, and the other people who work on them together. Alright, so if you're a team working on the same brand or using the same page, you have many people working on that, so you can all use a business suite to work together, share the login, and actually work together. So let's start with this. It says business account name. Looking at the example here before, it says Jasper's Market, so it's more of markets online, like I said, online store where everything are in one place. So what can we now? We can actually put use passive. Right, I'm going to use this name. So the first name, now this is very, very important. The name you're going to put in here must be the name related to no, it's not even related. Make it the name on the account that owns this business account. Alright, so they're not going to indicate it here, but from experience and some disciplines too, make sure it's the name that is on your personal Facebook account, and that name must be the one on your ID card. So everything has been explained in the videos earlier, so I'm going to put in the name there. So this is supposed to be here. Then your business email address. Alright, so this is actually it can be different from the one in your personal account, but I'd advise is related to one on the page. So if I'm going to be putting an email here, it's going to be this. Alright, so this, after we have all this here, then you click on create. In this lesson, we're going to start with Facebook ad creation, how to launch a campaign, optimize it, choose your ad objectives, your ad budgets, and everything you need to know about setting a successful Facebook campaign. Right, so this is how the campaign creation dashboard looks like. But before I actually get to this page, there are some things you have to do, which is starting with the Facebook page creation. So I'm going to show you the steps to create a Facebook. decline to also do business account, and I'm going to take you through how the business suits work. So this is the dashboard showing like a preview of what's going on with the account. So we have the notifications here. These will bring notifications across all accounts connected to this business account. Like I said, it comprises of all accounts connected to this, all Meta accounts connected to this business account. So we're going to be having notifications from Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and even WhatsApp. Alright, so looking at this account is performing well both organically and through paid ads. So checking the inbox, you're going to be receiving messages from Facebook, from Messenger, from Instagram, and can actually reply all of them at once in the same place. Another benefit of using business suits is that you'll be able to actually promote your brand well, because replying you're going to be replying with your brand name, which is very, very important. Because if you try to actually reply with on Facebook, you might end up knowingly or unknowingly replying with your personal name on Facebook, your personal account, which is very, very bad for a thriving business brand. The next one is content. So here you're going to see content across the business, your Meta platforms. So alright, it was formerly known as post and story, but it's now called content. So you see, you can actually you see how your contents are performing. So this is the reach. You see how many people it has reached, how to actually optimize it to reach more people, the reactions, the likes, comment, and everything going on with everything you are posting every time. So this is the planner. You can actually schedule contents, videos, and things you are trying to post against when you are not online. Okay, this is today. Maybe you are trying to schedule something later in the day. Click on schedule. You can schedule a post, a story, and others across different days at different times. The next one here is ads. So you can actually check how your ads are performing here. So instead of logging in on your ads manager, maybe you don't want to log in on your phone, which is not even advisable. You can actually come here and just check it on your business suits. So inside, just like an overview of how your account is performing generally. So you can check it here to reach, how much I've been paid to actually, if you're on ads, how much you've spent, and everything. So it's actually very, very okay, very okay. So this account is doing fine with over 2,000 likes and followers, and this is just in 24 hours yet, because you can see from this is between October 6th to 8th or so. So you can check your ad results, your audience, your benchmarking, and everything. So more of these are going to be taught in the Telegram channel. So make sure you're asking, just ask your questions there, and you'll be given immediate replies. So other tools you need to actually set up your business account, your brand safety and everything. So this is something you can explore on your own, and you get more of it. So going back to Ads Manager. Now we are going to go back to Ad Manager and see how we can actually set up our account, our ad account, and manage it.